Hey everyone, it's Donna here. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on and do a really quick video to show the results I had at my first attempt at red cabbage dyeing. I watched a tutorial by Chrissy Crosser, and I will put a link down below to that video. She did a great video of all her method and the steps and all of that. But and I didn't realize that you could get different colors from the same batch of dyed cabbage by adding things like baking soda or vinegar was the other one. So I tried all three colors, and I was going for kind of a variegated look, and I got different results with different materials. This is just some crochet. Let me get some white to put this against. Some crochet trim, and I tried to get like a ombre kind of look. It starts off with purple. There's a little bit of blue in there, and one of the dyes ended up being a pink, but when it dried, I think this was what was the pink when it was when it was in the bowl, but when it dried, it ended up being like a greenish yellow, which is very weird. So that's that. Here's another cotton lace. You can see some different colors in it. This is a strip of cotton fabric. This took the color really well. And there's, again, it turned out being kind of a yellow, which I think when I dumped it, it was pink. So that's very strange. This is a piece of silk. That took the color really well. Very pretty pastel-y kind of colors. This is some ruffled trim. This is the trim that I got from that estate sale. So a lot of you have this trim. And again, there's some yellowish green. This is another trim. This one didn't take the color quite so well. Couple of more little trims, little cotton trims. They did really well. I tried some doilies. When I was dyeing, after I got done dunking them, I put them all on a tray to bring them out to my garage to dry, and it picked up all the colors of everything next to it. So this one's like multicolored. Same with that one. It picked up something that was next to it. These were in two different batches. This one, see now, this one I think was the pink. No, maybe there was like purple, a teal color, and a pink in the three bowls. And yeah, this is probably the pink. Ended up yellow. Very strange. I tried some wedding appliques, and some dyed better than the others. I tried some Venice lace appliques. Those turned out really pretty. Again, I think that was supposed to be pink. That one turned out really good. Oh, I like that one, so pretty. Another cotton trim. Beautiful. This one is that lace tablecloth. That turned out really pretty too. Took the colors really well. Here's that kind of tealy color in in through here. And again, what was the pink ended up being kind of a yellow with some green in it. Some more like a net lace. It actually took better on the net than it did on the lace. This is some eyelet fabric. All different colors. Lots of color in through here. I think it was up against something else in the tray that picked up some more colors. I tried some crochet trim. And of course, cotton really picks up color well. Some eyelet trim. This is where it was draped over my drying rack, so it kind of concentrated the color right there. Some more cottony fabric. Again, this is where it was hanging over the drying rack. And this, towards the end, I dunked in the three different batches, and those are the three colors that it ended up. The purple, see, that looks pink, but I think in the bowl it was that teal color, and then I think this was the pink, or maybe it was the teal that's turning out yellow. I don't know. But anyway, I still have another half a head of the cabbage, so I may do another batch. Now I don't know what I'm going to use these for. They're really pretty pastel-y colors. Right now I'm working on a vintage journal, but I think my next one will be a spring, since it is spring, although spring here in Florida lasted about 3 days, and we're going to be up in the 90s later on this week, so spring went by really fast, so I better get my spring journal in quickly. So I just want to come on and show you that. Again, the link to that video that I used to do this is down below. It was really interesting to see all the different results. So I'll be back tomorrow with a video with the entries I've received so far for my friendship challenge. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link to that, the challenge video at the end of this one, and I hope you will participate. And that's all I have for today. Bye for now.